So I've got a new inlet manifold from a MK6 Fiesta ST150 and I'm just trying to get my head around everything at the minute. Who needs an inlet manifold? At top end driving, lads, we've managed it. I've finally got it off. I've took one bolt off the slam panel, which gave me enough kind of wiggle room to get it out. Let's have a nosy at what we've been on with. Did somebody say intake manifold, mate? Who needs one of them? We've finally got there, look. So I've removed 2 slam panel bolts basically. It's given a little bit of wiggle room and I've been able to just ease it out and it's come out beautifully. So we're going to have a nosy now, getting the new inlet manifold on. I will make a start on that tomorrow, but I'm well made up with this. You should have seen my reaction, mate. It was like Lion King, mate, holding the manifold up in the air, do you know what I mean? So we're about there with it. I have got a replacement silicone hose for this auxiliary point here, coolant point, so I might kind of sort that out, clean all this up best I can, you know, brake cleaner, all that sort of stuff, get rid of any oil deposits, and we're about there, look. I'm well chuffed with this. Did you doubt me? I certainly did, do you know what I mean? Look at the quality of this, mate. I'm well made up with that. So again, just need to locate where the MAF sensor is. It's there, look. I'll reuse that screw there on the new mani, but that's banging. Look at the quality of this, lads. Right, so this is my new manifold. Everyone's been asking to look at it, so here it is. We're going to get it on the car. I did try and squeeze it on the vehicle earlier, so I'll post that later on. As you can see, I've scratched it a little bit there trying to squeeze it in, but we're there with it. Look at this, absolutely fantastic. So we've got some AN6 hydraulic fitments. One's for the fuel evap and one is for the brake servo. I believe the brake servo is the 10mm and the fuel evap line is the 8mm for the adapter. I've also got a brand new silicone hose, absolutely fantastic, for the PVC, and I've also got a PVC pipe there, absolutely fantastic, brand new. It was an Amazon special, so I think I'm just going to use the old one, but it's there if I need it. That's what we're all about. There's a bit of a clearance issue here, so I think I'm going to drop the slam panel. So this is a MK6 Fiesta ST150. We've got the inlet manifold off. This is my new Fab Fusion inlet manifold. This is the car when we're in project mode. We've got manifolds, we've got tools, we've got no end of tools. I just make a mess, you know what I mean? More tools, it's great, innit? Even more tools, boxers, tape, me, screwdrivers, you can't beat it. Only takes me 3 days, but I've gone and done it. Look at that, mate. Inlet mani's off, mate. Off. Right, MK6 Fiesta ST150 manifold replacement progress with a Fab Fusion custom inlet manifold. It's in. It's bolted, right? I'm having a bit of a nightmare with this. I have implemented the throttle body, so I've got even less space to work with. So now I'm just trying to get the air filter attached onto the actual throttle body itself. Yo, I thought the car was going to explode earlier, mate. First start up, yeah, battery's already done something weird. Now it's just revving and it's just getting worse, mate. It was just mental. We're about there with it. The new Fab Fusion inlet manifold is in situ and it's all working beautifully. Thanks for all the advice. It was an air leak earlier, so I've gone over, retightened all the bolts on the manifold and it's running. Let's have a nosy at what I've done. Right, so this is my MK6 Fiesta ST150. We've got this beautiful custom Fusion Fab inlet manifold all plumbed up. We're going to get some revs in a minute and get the engine started. But look at this, absolutely fantastic. Custom lines, we ain't messing about. It just sets the engine bay off. It's absolutely fantastic. Right, let's go through it again. Oh, that's nuts. That's nuts, mate. Wow, I'm impressed. Oh, that's nuts. That sounds so sick, mate. I'm so impressed with this, mate. ABS lights come off. It's just evil, man. Evil, brother.